get better before. Okay, things are getting frightening up in here. So it was a great night of Ghost Brothers, and now it's like almost 1 in the morning, going down Ghost Road in snow. It looks like a blizzard. It said that it was like 27 degrees, but real feel was 12 degrees. I pulled in somewhere where there were some gates and did an EVP session last time I was here, and it was so dark. You know, there's a lot of people missing out on this road, and because of all the articles of clothing, I found those articles of clothing, but I had never heard of those stories. I read them later. I haven't looked up Riverdale Road in years, but some people think that they do human sacrifices out here, and that's why there's so many articles of clothing. I'm assuming that's just a myth, and I'm really hoping so too. There's where I pulled in, and there's some kind of gates that say don't go through them, but I don't know what they're for. Okay, slow down, because I see a ghost. No, I'm just kidding.